Hi there guys, in today's video I will show you how to delete story archive on Facebook. First of all, go on the three dots icon on your right upper side and then scroll down and search for settings. Then you need to scroll down and find the settings that says activity log on your information section. Then again on the archive on your first side, go and click on it. Now here on the first side, go on story archive. Here are all stories that have been added on your Facebook account. Now go on your 10 upper side and click on the three dots icon. Go settings, and now as you can see all story settings. You have already made it. Now you can choose who can control. Yeah, of course you have three options. For example, hide story from these people, get back again, and now as you can see my archive is empty because I don't have any stories that were on my Facebook account. And now guys, you know how to delete story archive on Facebook. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.